SpaceX next-gen Starlink satellites has started falling from space. Oof. First batch of Elon Musk's upgraded Starlink internet satellites experienced issues shortly after launching last month. This doesn't happen as often as you might think it would. You got these big, giant constellations of satellites up there. It's been a little over a month since SpaceX launched 21 mini versions of its next-gen satellites. Designated as 30062 re-entered Earth's atmosphere on Monday at 4:50 a.m. near California, according to a tweet from Jonathan McDowell, who keeps tabs on these things. He's like, boom, satellite down. The satellite very likely burned up during its re-entry.
Oh, good.
But, well, I think that's expected. Mm-hmm. Whoa, look at that. Is that graph on the left? Is that showing the one falling out? Look at it. 30082. Plop. Cool. I'm glad somebody's keeping track of this.
Right into the ocean, too. So.
Well, burned up.
Yeah.
There's probably not a lot of debris even left at that point.
Mm-hmm. But eventually, they're going to all kind of burn up, right? They're going to fall into the orbit and then just based on like older tech. And then new satellites will replace them, right?
It appears that 2 of the V2 minis are beginning to orbit raise towards their designated shell, while 1 is already on a trajectory for controlled deorbit. McDowell noted on Twitter that 3 of the V2 minis, well, they didn't even send that many up, so that's a pretty crap success rate if we've already got that many issues. Last month, Starlink Insider was among the first to notice that the recently launched batch of satellites were slowly falling instead of rising. In response to speculation regarding the condition of the V2 minis, Elon Musk clarified the satellites were experiencing some issues and that some of them will be deorbited while others would still be tested. The recently deorbited V2 mini could be the first of more to come. Struggles, space struggles.
Yeah.